Let us talk about investing in shopping malls here in Singapore, in particular Paragon and Clementi Mall. Now the REIT that I'm talking about today is none other than Paragon REIT, which owns over 5 retail properties, of which 3 of them are in Singapore and 2 of the other malls are in Australia. Now based on what I've seen, do I think that Paragon REIT is worth considering as a potential investment? The answer to that question is yes, and here's why. Firstly, the operations and performances of Paragon REIT has been stable since they were listed, and their flagship properties, mainly Paragon and Clementi Mall, are of quality, stable, and have long remaining land lease. Secondly, Paragon's REIT's management have a good debt management record and a relatively lower gearing ratio as compared to their industry peers. Lastly, the managers are not afraid to be passive with regards to their portfolio management instead of acquiring properties that are not yield accretive for the sake of acquiring. Case in point, you can look at the refusal of Seletar Mall. That being said, investors who are thinking of investing in Paragon REIT might want to pay attention to the debt renewal that is coming in the next few years, as the majority of their debt will be due for renewal during 2024 and 2025, of which the interest rate environment then is expected to remain relatively high. Now this will result in a new normal for the cost of borrowing for Paragon REIT, which will result in a lower dividend distribution over a longer duration of time. Now all things considered, I do think that Paragon REIT is worth considering if you are looking to invest in stable shopping malls such as Paragon and Clementi Mall for the income yield. However, investors will need to manage their risk exposure carefully, as the portfolio itself is quite heavily dependent on the 2 flagship properties and are not adequately diversified from a portfolio management perspective. Now if you want to read my full analysis, you can access the report on my Telegram channel, where I'll go in depth on the fundamentals of Paragon REIT, my analysis and opinion on it as a potential investment to consider. You can access my Telegram channel through my website, the link will be in my bio. In 2024, I aim to analyze every single listed REIT on the Singapore's exchange, so if you find this type of content interesting or useful, do follow my account and stay updated with my weekly upload.